Good morning children. Today we will start our grammar portion, 14th lesson, question words. So children, these questions words are very important. Whenever we are asking any question, so these words are using by us. Anyone, any person, whenever anyone want to ask questions, want to ask about anything, about any person, about any place, so about any possession, so that time we are using these question words. So what are that question words? These words are used to ask questions. Means whenever we want to ask questions, so that time we are using these words. So in which situation we are using these words? Today we will learn about that. So first of all, what? What? When we are using what word? Question word? When we are asking about anything. Whenever we are asking about anything, so that time we are using this what? Means what are you doing? What is your name? What is your father's name, your mother's name, your sister, your brother's name? So that time we are using, means we want to know something about anything. So that time we are using this word. Next one is where. So where we want to ask about any place. Means just like our village, any city, our means this India. So that time we are using where. Means where do you live? Where are you going? So that time what our answer is? We are living in Gondwepri or we are living in India. So that time we are using this where. Means place is important. Whenever we are asking about any place, so that time we are using this where. And when what we are using? When we are asking about anything. When we want to know about anything. So that time we are using what? But where we are using when we want to know about name of any place, name of anything. So that time we are using this where. Next one is when. When we are using this when. So when means time. Whenever we want to know about timing, so that time we are using here when. Next one is just like here is example. When is your birthday? When do you go to school? When do you go to your home? So that time we are using when. Next one is whose. Whose means possession. Means जब हम हमारी चीज़ों के बारे में या फिर किसी और की चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं तो उस समय हम यूज करते हैं whose. मीन्स whose goat it is, whose books are there, whose flower this is. So that time मीन्स जब हम किसी की चीज़ों के बारे में whenever we are thinking or we are asking about our things or any other things. possession means हमारी जो चीज़ें होती हैं हमारे पास, just like हमारी बैग, हमारा कंपास, हमारा घर. So that time we are using this whose pencil is this, whose compass is this. So ये कंपास किसका है, ये पेन किसका है, ये पेंसिल किसकी है. So that time we are using whose. Next one is which. Which means things or person. So here in our textbook there are example. Which sweet do you like? In which street you are living? कौन से रास्ते पर या कौन से मार्ग पर तुम रहते हो. Next one is who. Next one is which is your favorite subject. which is your favorite place, which is your favorite hero. So there are many questions when we are using which means we are asking about anything or about any person. So that time we are using this which. Next one is who. You know about that. Ask about people. Who means only we are using about people. Just like here is example. Who is talking in the room? Who is standing there? Who is going outside? Who is working there? Who is looking there? So when we are using who, we are using who when we are asking about any people. So children, these 6 question word we are using while we are reading or talking or asking about anything, any person, any possession. So that time we are using these 6 question word. Which are they? What, where, when, whose, which, who. What means we are asking about things. Then where means we are asking about a place. The next one is when, asking about timing. Next one is whose, asking about possession. Possession means हमारी अपनी चीजें या दूसरों की उनकी अपनी चीजें. Next one is which, asking about person, and who, ask about people. So children, in your exercise, there is your exercise. So next one is again why, and last one is how. So these 8 words, how many? 8 words, 8 question words we are using while asking questions. Question words. So children, why? Why means reason. Why are you sitting there? Why are you not listening to us? Why are you making noise? Or why are you doing these things? So that time means asking about reason. Why are you crying? Why are you shouting? So that time whenever we are asking about any reason, जब वहाँ पर कुछ कारण होता है, यानी तुम क्यों रो रहे हो, तुम क्यों जा रहे हो, तुम क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो, why are you going outside again and again? So teacher are always asking this question, why are you shouting? Why are you talking loudly? So that time whenever we are asking about reason, so that time we are using this why. Next one is how, means this is reason. Next one is why. Why means what. How means what way. Means किस तरह से. What way. किस तरह से वो काम कर रहे हैं. Means how do you do. आप क्या कर रहे हो. How do you go to school. आप स्कूल कैसे जाते हो. So this how means ask in what way. किस तरह से हम वो चीज़ करते हैं, किस तरह से हम वो काम करते हैं. So उस समय हम यूज करते हैं ये how. So children, these are question word. Why means reason and how means what way. किस तरह से, किस रीति से, किस विधि से वो चीज़ हम करते हैं, वो काम हम करते हैं. So children, these question words are very important while asking questions. While asking question means how old are you, how tall that building is, and next one how many flowers you have, how many pencils you have. So that time we are using how. How much also. How much shouting you are. कितना ज़्यादा चिल्ला रहे हो. Many means counting and much means uncountable. Next one is how often. कितनी बार. How often means how often do you take tea. तुम कितनी बार चाय पीते हो या फिर आप कितनी बार चाय पीते हैं दिन में. How often do you go to shopping. आप कितनी बार शॉपिंग पर जाते हैं? इन अ वीक, इन अ मंथ, इन अ ईयर. नेक्स्ट वन इज हाउ लॉन्ग. हाउ लॉन्ग मीन्स वी विल स्टे हियर. हाउ लॉन्ग विल ही स्टे हियर. वो कितनी देर से यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर रह रहे हैं. या फिर हाउ लॉन्ग डिड यू वेट फॉर मी. आप कितनी देर से मेरी राह देख रहे हैं, मेरा वेट कर रहे हैं. सो दीज ऑल आर क्वेश्चन वर्ड. हाउ मेनी, हाउ मच, हाउ ऑफन, हाउ लॉन्ग. सो with how we are using another word and asking that question. So children, these are question word. While asking question, we are using this question word. And in your exercise also read that sentence properly and use question word in that exercise. Exercise first. Which word you have to use? What, how, where and when. So these 4 words you have to use in that exercise. So children, in this lesson we know or we learn about question word. Whenever we are asking about a person or thing or any possession or any reason, so that time we are using this question word. Next one, but when the question word is the subject. When the question word is subject, the verb comes after only question word. जब question word subject बन जाता है, अब कैसे बनता है वो देखो. Who loves Radha? Okay, who loves Radha और who does Radha love? अब जब क्वेश्चन वर्ड जब सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है तब ये किस तरह से लिखते हैं देखो. हु लव्स राधा. इट इज सिंपल क्वेश्चन. बट ये जो हु है वो जब क्वेश्चन सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है तब कैसे सेंटेंस लिखते हैं. हु डज राधा लव. लव्स में का जो ES है, लव्स में का ये जो S है वो डज में रिप्लेस हो जाता है. सो हाउ वी आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. हु डज राधा लव. नेक्स्ट वन, हु रोट टू राधा. राधा को किसने लेटर लिखा है. हु डिड राधा राइट टू. राधा किसको लेटर लिख रही है, लिख रही थी. इट इज पास्ट टेंस. मीन्स हु रोट. रोट इज पास्ट टेंस. जब उसमें पास्ट टेंस आ जाता है तब क्या करते हैं, पास्ट टेंस वाला जो डिड है वो उस क्वेश्चन में ऐड करते हैं. हु डिड राधा राइट टू. ओके चिल्ड्रेन. सो इसके विषय में हम बाद में डिटेल में भी पढ़ सकते हैं. बट नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ओनली अबाउट क्वेश्चन वर्ड. दिस 8 क्वेश्चन वर्ड वी use in our sentence, in our talking, in our writing or reading. So these question words are important when we are asking questions.